Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hydroform here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to leave the beta in Minecraft Windows 10 and Xbox One Edition. So now it's the same process for both of these versions, Minecraft Windows 10 and Xbox One Edition. And so yeah, now without further ado, let's begin. So firstly, what you're gonna do is open up the Microsoft or Xbox store, and I'll catch you guys there. And once you guys are on the Microsoft or Xbox store, what you need to do is head into search and then go ahead and search for Xbox Insider, and then you need to download Xbox Insider Hub Legacy Edition, not the normal Insider, just the legacy version, as you guys can see. So it is there on both Xbox as well as on your PC. And yeah, so now what you're going to do is go ahead and download it. So for me, it's already downloaded. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and launch it up. And now once you guys have launched the Xbox Insider Hub app, what you need to do is basically sign into your Microsoft account. It's going to ask you to do that. And basically after that, what you need to do is click on these three lines over here. And then what you're going to do is click on Insider Content. Now, once you click on Insider Content under Join, it's going to be there Minecraft for Windows 10. Or if you're using Xbox, it's going to just say Minecraft Xbox. And then what you're going to do is go ahead and click on it. And then over here, it's going to say Manage or Show in Store. Just go ahead and click on Manage. And then what you're going to do is go ahead and click on Unenroll. All right. So just unenroll and then go ahead and click on Done. And then what you're going to do is go ahead and click on Accept. Now what you need to do, all right, so it's going to take some time and it's going to show pending, and after some time it's basically going to show join again. So so as you guys can see, so this basically means that you have signed out of the that you have left the beta. And now what you need to do is actually go ahead and delete Minecraft. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for it. And so Minecraft Windows 10, you need to go ahead and delete it. All right, so just uninstall it. And then what you're going to do is head back into the Microsoft Store and install it once again. And then you can go ahead and play it and you'll have left the beta. And so if you do not uninstall it, basically the beta will still be there. So this is really important. You just have to uninstall and reinstall it. And this is basically how you leave the beta in Minecraft Windows 10 and Xbox One Edition. So if you guys did find this video useful, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video now. Goodbye.